Good morning guys. For today's video, may ko lang ipapakita iyo about an akong pag cash out about yesterday. Adi man na black cash. Utrong ko na video kay gusto ko ma-aware ka mo na this app is not a fake. Nala guys kay may nag-signal. By the way guys, na-receive ko na ngayon hiyaan akon gin-withdraw ka call up nga 500. Nagpag-withdraw nga to ka call up is 500. Tapos maiban hiya, may iban niya nga 20. So naka-receive ako yan nga aga. Naka-receive ako text message from ano kang kanibad to, basta naka-receive ako guys. Papakita ko lang yun. Adi na history of withdraw record. Ayun, nag-success na hiya. Success 500. Tapos may nagpapakita yun guys. Adiman. Ayan. You have received money in GCash. You have received 480 of from Netbank with account ending in 515. Your new balance is 816. So ayan guys, proven and tested. Kikitaan tayo ito na GCash. Adi na guys, this is it. Tingnan natin. Ayun, nagka-receive na talaga tayo guys ng 580. By the way guys, ang akong GCash ngayon may solid nga 300 plus. As you can see kanina ng text message na your new balance is 816. So ang 2 pieces is nagmimili pa ako kaya Gym Master. So yan na, mabak kita guys. If you want to play this game, just PM me and I'll give you the link para kayo makagmulay together with me. Legit talaga ya guys, super. First time kong withdraw and proven and tested ya guys, kay ako mismo na observan ko.